Did you see the presents under the tree, Jeremy? Are you excited? What is that? You gotta brush your teeth? Okay. Brush your teeth? Alright.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Open present. Open the lot, Bobby. Yes, open the present.
Daddy?
Yes?
Look, why is he crawling?
Oh, Daddy, open
I don't know. Why are you crawling?
He's yapping.
You're laughing.
Yeah.
Did you get a lot of presents from Santa? Which one do you want to open first?
Daddy, no, yung kay Santa first. Daddy, yung kay Santa first. Open
Ask Mommy which one's from Santa. Oh, okay. Open the one from Santa.
Big box.
It's a big box.
Huh? Big box. Yeah, this is big box. Mommy, big
yeah.
box. It's a big box. Big box.
Why are you saying box so funny? It's a big box.
Mhm. Big box.
Wow.
Big box. Big box. Big box.
Yeah.
Big box.
What's that?
Hey. It's a big box.
Wow, what's that?
What did Santa get you?
What's that? What's
A
that?
Toy Story potato head.
Oh my goodness! Ganun mo. Daddy.
Do you need help opening it? Do you want to open it now, or do you want to open your other presents?
Can you open Uncle John's present?
Hey, where are you going? Gonna put it with all your other toys? Okay. We'll remember to open it later for you.
He's gonna say all Jerry's presents
Who-
later.
Who gave you that present? Who?
Uncle John!
Louder.
Uncle John!
Okay. Merry Christmas, Uncle John. Thank you
Merry
for...
Christmas. Uncle
Look the
John.
camera. Thank you for the present.
Thank you for the present.
Mwah.
Okay.
What is this string?
For decoration.
String. String. Oh, broken.
Bubbles. Bubbles to pop. Whoa, what is that, Jeremy? That looks awesome. Whoa. Yeah, put your hand in it. And then look at the front. Whoa, look at that. Jeremy, did you see that? Put your hand on it again. Whoa. What do you say to Uncle John?
Thank you.
Are you excited?
Put in there. Jeremy, go in there. Put in there.
Whoa, did you see that? Hey, turn it upside down. I want to show you something. Whoa, what is that? Can you do it? Put your hand under. I'll hold it up. You put your hand under. You ready? What?
Fingers.
That's right. It's an imprint of your hand. Isn't that cool?
Okay, another. Can you put in there? Another.
Whoa. Jerry, is that fun? Isn't that cool? You can do your face too.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
You gotta keep it flat though. Can I show you how?